Hi, today in SBL Kitchen, I'm Mukta Nagaraj continuing with the previous episode. Here, I'm showing you the version of making roti with the same dough what I used in the previous episode. Now with the same dough, let me begin making onion roti. To begin, the dough which we prepared, and a spoon or two rice flour, very little salt as we have already put salt in the recipe, green chilli paste or the green chilli crushed according to the taste, and finely chopped onions, and the coriander. I will give this a nice mix. The moisture in the onions and the dough should be enough for making the roti. If you feel it's very dry, then you can just sprinkle a spoon or two water. Now the roti dough is ready. Onto a tawa, smear some oil. In between, you can dip your hand into the water so that the dough will not come to your hands and you will get a smooth texture while making the roti. Now I'm going to roast this by smearing few drops of oil. I'm just waiting for this to be crisp and golden. The crisp roti is ready to serve. This can be served with some chutney. Onion roti ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SBL Foods.